This video I will explain how to send money using Google Pay. Method 1 is using contact name. Open the app and tap new payment. Then choose the contact you want to send money to. Then enter the amount. Then tap pay and enter your UPI PIN. The money will be transferred instantly to the receiver's account. Method 2 is using UPI ID or bank details. Tap new payment and select UPI ID or bank transfer. Enter the person's UPI ID or bank account number and IFSC code. Enter the amount and confirm the transaction with your UPI PIN. Method 3 is scanning a QR code. Tap the scan QR code in the app, point your camera at the person's Google Pay QR code, then enter the amount and tap pay. Then confirm with your UPI PIN. We have seen three methods to send money using Google Pay, and all three methods payments are completed instantly, and both sender and receiver get notification as confirmation. Next we will see how to receive money using Google Pay. Option 1 is request money. Open Google Pay, tap the person's contact name, choose request and enter the amount and send the request. The other person will see the request and can pay instantly. Option 2 is share your UPI ID or QR code. You can tab your profile picture at the top. You will see your UPI ID and QR code. Share these details with the sender. When the sender sends the money, it will go directly into your linked bank account. Now we will see how to check payment history. You can always see your previous transactions. Tab on show transaction history or go to the contact's name. You will find list of all the payments sent and received with the date, time and status. Now we will see safety tips when using Google Pay. Always double check the receiver's details before sending money. Never share your UPI PIN with anyone. Do not approve money requests from unknown people. Enable app lock or biometric security for extra safety, which is nothing but a fingerprint or a PIN. Use official QR codes only from trusted sources. Google Pay uses multi layers of security, including your bank verification and UPI encryption. So your transactions are safe as long as you follow these precautions. Now we will see the summary. Using Google Pay, you can send and receive money instantly using UPI. Google Pay connects directly to your bank account, so you don't need a wallet or balance in the app. You can send money using contact name, UPI ID, QR code, or bank details. You can receive money through a payment request, UPI ID, or QR code. Always keep your UPI PIN private and verify recipient details before confirming any payment.